Hello everyone, welcome to Easy Math Tutorials, your one-stop center for mathematics. In this video, we shall deal with profit and loss problems. This is my third video to the series on profit and loss. In order to know more about profit and loss, do visit my previous videos. The links to those videos are given in the description below. So let us start. Problem number 1. What will be the gain percentage if a person sells an item at rupees 2500 if it was purchased for rupees 2000? In this problem, we can see that we are given with the cost price and the selling price. The cost price is rupees 2000 and the selling price is rupees 2500. As the selling price is greater than the cost price, the person will obtain a gain or a profit. Let us now see the formula of the gain percentage or the profit percentage. The formula is gain percentage is equal to gain by CP into 100. So now let us calculate gain. Gain is equal to SP minus CP. Now the SP is the selling price. We can see that it is rupees 2500 and CP is the cost price, which is rupees 2000. So now let us substitute these values. We get gain is equal to 2500 minus 2000. And we get the result as 500. So we have gain is equal to rupees 500. Let us now calculate the gain percentage. We shall substitute the values in the formula. We know gain is 500. So we have 500 divided by the CP. The value of the CP is 2000. So we have 500 divided by 2000 multiplied by 100. And the result that you get is to be represented in percentage. So we have 500 by 2000 into 100. And if we solve this, we get the result as 25. So we have the gain percentage is 25%. Hence, we can see that a person obtains a gain percentage of 25% if he sells an item at rupees 2500 which was purchased for rupees 2000. Let us now move on to the second problem, problem number 2. What will be the loss percentage if a person sells a book at rupees 900 which he had purchased for rupees 1000? Now, from the question it is clear that the person incurred a loss because the selling price or the SP of the book is rupees 900, whereas the cost price or the CP of the book is rupees 1000. So let us first write down the formula for loss percentage. The formula is loss by CP into 100, and the result that you get is to be expressed in terms of percentage. So now let us start. The first thing that we will do is we will calculate the value of loss. The formula goes like this. Loss is equal to CP minus SP, where CP is the cost price and SP is the selling price. So here we have CP is equal to rupees 1000 and SP is equal to rupees 900. So substituting these values in the above formula, we get loss is equal to 1000 minus 900, which is equal to 100. As a result, we can say that the person incurred a loss of rupees 100. Now let us calculate the loss percentage. So let us substitute the values that we have obtained. So loss is 100, hence we have 100 divided by the CP. CP is 1000 multiplied by 100. And the result is to be expressed in terms of percentage. So after solving 100 by 1000 into 100, we get the result as 10. Hence, the loss percentage is 10%. Therefore, the person incurred a loss of rupees 100 and the loss percentage was 10% when he sold a book at rupees 900, which was purchased at rupees 1000. So in this video, we studied how to obtain the gain percentage as well as the loss percentage. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe. Also hit the bell icon.